you our Waterpik 5.0 complete care system. So this is your complete dental care system. It is your sonic toothbrush and a water flosser in one system for under $90. So it is a featured price. We have our best easy pay plan available on the Waterpik 5.0 because you know what, this is a great way, new year, you know what, we need to take better care of ourselves, and one way to do that is to take better care of our teeth. So what exactly are we getting today?
Well, first of all, Waterpik is a brand name. So, you know, there's a lot of sonic toothbrushes out there, but what Waterpik brings you is, let's see, since 1962, so 50 plus years of superior oral health and hygiene. So we give you a triple sonic technology toothbrush. So you get a cleaning mode, a whitening mode, and a massage mode in this fully featured brush. Enough brush heads for over a year, so 5 brush heads, and you can easily swap them out if you're sharing with family members. And then all these accessory tips for when you need to floss, because so many of us ignore our gums. It is crucial and critical to really, for your overall health as well, to get those gums involved so your teeth look as good as they can.
Well, $14.99 a month on your Q card or credit card. If you were to buy the Waterpik 5.0 flosser and toothbrush on its own, without the extra brush heads, without the tongue cleaner, you would spend $93.32. We give you those extras and you pay less.
I know.
$89.96. So a great value. You can see you would spend over $120 to put this all together yourself. It even comes with your travel case and everything you need to keep it all organized. All right, so but let's talk about how it works and sonic technology, especially when it comes to teeth cleaning.
Exactly. And you know what? We have fantastic animation that kind of shows what it's all about, because it's hard to visualize what Sonic does, but what you get here is 31,000 brush strokes a minute that you can pulse, vibrate food, plaque, bacteria. But this is what makes all of the difference in the world. Water flossing, because we're all supposed to brush twice a day. We're all supposed to floss twice a day. Most of us do the brushing, but the flossing, maybe it's inconvenient. For whatever reason, we don't do it. I happen to have very tight teeth, so it's hard for me when I use taper floss, even when they say unbreakable taper floss. But with this system, it's our 1-2 punch. So right after you're done brushing your teeth, or right before you brush your teeth, it's personal preference, you water floss. And it's just such a phenomenal way to take care of your teeth and gums. And I have a little demo that I'm going to show you what it looks like. Triple sonic technology. Remember, we've got a cleaning mode, a whitening mode, and a massage mode. So I'm going to do a little bit of simulated brushing here. You see this little blue line? Well, here is what Sonic does in your mouth. You don't have to brush up, down, back, and forth because it pulse vibrates things that get on the teeth and gums. So there you go. It's doing all the work for me. I'm not doing any of the work. It's doing the work for me. And the best thing about it is the water flosser is my absolute favorite, because you do not even have to be an expert at cleaning teeth and gums, but this feels like you've had an expert professional cleaning done. And this is customizable, which I really love if you're not used to water flossing and you're like, oh, I don't know. So simple to use. It's an on-off switch on the side of your unit, and then you've got an on-off switch on your handle as well. And it's levels 0 to 10. So this is a really low level. That's as low as it goes. So if you worry about having sensitive teeth and gums, don't worry. I use mine, look, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. There's where I
So that's when you have that summer corn and a piece gets in there, that piece of popcorn that's stuck in there between the teeth or down in the gum line.
Yes,
And sometimes it can be tricky to get it with, like you said, with floss.
Oh, absolutely.
The Waterpik can get in there and get it.
Right.
And real quick question for you, Denise.
Sure.
Is this safe on dental work if I have braces, crowns, veneers?
Thank you for asking. And if you see all these attachments, your dentist, your hygienist will say use some sort of water flossing device. And what we love about this is, of course, it's the 1-2 punch. It's a 1-2 unit. And it gives you all of these. So it does not matter if you have bridges, crowns, veneers, dental implants, braces. In fact, we encourage it because all of these jet tips address anything that's going on in your mouth. This is a periodontal pickpocket. These are your 2 standard jet tips, which you'll use every single day. This, mom and dad, by the way, February is Children's Dental Health Month. So moms and dads, if you have kids who have braces, you know you've spent those thousands of dollars. You want the braces to come off and the teeth to be really as good as they possibly can be. So this tip alone is worth its weight in gold. This is for stubborn plaque down along the gum line. And there's your tongue cleaner.
And remember that tongue cleaner is usually a separate purchase that we include with this setup today.
Right.
But you know what? You actually have some claims
I
as
do.
regarding
I
to
do.
the kind of the technology being used in this
Right,
system.
because Waterpik sent their engineers, they sent their own dentists into dentist offices and said, what are your needs and how can we make you an even better product? And what they did were clinical studies. And the Waterpik Flosser proved to be highly effective in removing significant amounts of plaque. But here's the important thing. When you use the Waterpik Flosser and the toothbrush combination, it was found to be an effective alternative to manual brushing and dental floss for 3 very important things in the dental world, and that's plaque removal, gingival inflammation, reducing bleeding, and our latest newest claim is when you use this system for 2 minutes twice a day, 2 weeks, tooth stains significantly improved versus manual non-time brushing.
Hey, so that means my teeth are going to look whiter.
Heck
That's
yeah,
what that means.
heck yeah.
So your smile's going to look cleaner and brighter, but it actually will be clean because remember you're getting that
Yes.
water flosser that's going to get down into and around the gum
Absolutely.
area, and it's going to be aggressive enough to get them out, but gentle at the same time.
Right, and I like to say that there's nowhere in your mouth, and this is a little wet from my last demonstration, nowhere in your mouth that food particles and plaque, anything can hide because this system rotates in your mouth 360 degrees with the toothbrush and with that water flosser. So you can get those very tight molars in the back on top of them. If you've got tight teeth like me, that water flosser is going to help you get between those very tight teeth. So you can, at any point during your day, get that just out of the dentist office clean at your own house.
Well, this really has made a difference in my oral health, having a sonic
too.
toothbrush. The dentist, he was saying, Gabrielle, you're not getting the back teeth
Because it's hard,
as
yeah.
well as you should.
Right.
And so this does the job for you.
Yeah.
Like you said, I don't have to scrub back and forth.
Exactly.
The toothbrush does all the work. And then when you add in the power of the water flosser,
Yes. And I just beg people, please do not ignore your gums. Your gums are so important. They are the foundation to your teeth, and overall health is so important when you take care of your gums. So you see how it gets below the gum line, between those tight teeth? Ooh, tight teeth. But yeah, I did too. I've got very tight teeth and I can't get it through. Yeah. But the brush head, you were talking about not being able to reach the back. The brush head is angled at the top, and that actually helps you be able to get back in those little nooks and crannies of back behind those molars. But also the back of the toothbrush also has a tongue cleaner.
well, you know what? I did fail to mention, Denise, we have 2 colors, by the way. You may have
Yes,
noticed me
yes.
holding the black option. We also have the white. This is Waterpik 5.0. And I think this black is pretty cool.
It is cool.
So you know what? Maybe this would look great on your vanity, maybe for a husband, son, or you like the black for yourself. $89.96 is our featured price versus they've sold separately price of $123.07. So a great value. And with our Easy Pay, that's about $15 a month on your Q card or credit card. Just know if you were to buy your Waterpik 5.0 elsewhere, it would cost you about $93, and you wouldn't get the extra brush heads, and you wouldn't get the tongue cleaner. Those are separate purchases. So
Right.
we put it all together for you.
You get all of that.
So kind of show us how that sonic technology works,
Sure.
because I love that when you do this demonstration, you're not manually physically brushing.
That's right. So ordinary club soda, here it is. I'm just running this gently along that line. You see it's doing the work for me. I'm not running back and forth, scrubbing up and down. We were talking about brushing techniques before we did the presentation and how we do it. But this does the work for you. You don't have to think about it. You run it along your teeth and gums and get the twofer, get the double shot.
You know what, Denise? I actually grew up with a Waterpik in our household. My dad used it. This is back in the day, and they would always get after me and my sister because it was fun to use.
Right,
for us.
right.
So I think you'll actually enjoy flossing with the Waterpik 5.0.
So maybe you'll do it more.
Maybe you'll do it more. The dentist says you should be doing it twice a day. All right, so V32192 is your item number. Denise, thank you so much.
you.
And we'll see her again tomorrow morning, so make sure you join us with some new ideas. All right, but coming up, I'm going to help you with garment care. Rowenta has